So a lot of you have been requesting me to make a video about the rocket I made for my science fair. And so I did. And here are the list of materials you'll need. 2 1-meter 1/2 inch PVC pipes, 3 1-inch 90-degree PVC elbow pipe, 2 1-inch T PVC connector, BBQ igniter wire with crickets, 99% to 100% ethanol, and of course any sized plastic bottles. But first, cut the 1-meter PVC pipe into half, 0.5 meter and 0.5 meter, just like this. The reason I use the 1/2 inch pipe is that we can fit any bottle in it. And now time for the frame. You can pause the video right now and look at how I built the frame. If you aren't able to fit the pipes into their T-shapes and elbows, then your measurements are wrong. You will be able to fit the connectors into the pipes because the connectors are 1 inch and the pipes are 1/2 inch. Now make a hole around here to put a wire in. Use a drill and don't make it too big or too small because we're just gonna put the barbecue igniter wire in it. And after all these steps, you should have 2 pieces of pipes just like this. Don't worry about the wire, we'll get to that later. But if you don't, then repeat the steps again. And if you combine these 2 pieces of pipes, then you'll get this. Again, don't worry about the wire, we'll get it later. We have completed the frame of our rocket. And now it's time for us to build the wire. Wire is simple. You can buy one of these barbecue igniter in any store. Just make sure that they create spark when you press it. And now put the wire through the hole we made up the tube, just like the arrow in the diagram. And now get a plastic bottle and cut the top part of it. And now glue it in the position just shown in the picture to tighten the hole of the barbecue igniter so that it won't go off. And so this is it. We're done. And now all you have to do is put a rocket on it and fire it. Pachoo! So now we're gonna design the plastic bottle. First, we'll need a plastic bottle, an A4 paper, a compass. I use the mechanical one because it's more accurate. A blade cutter. Be careful with it; it's very sharp, and some tape. First, we don't really need the cap, so we can throw it away. And we have to remove the label here because they can burn when you shoot it, and that's very dangerous. So use a blade cutter and cut it carefully. And now this should make a line, and then you can just tear it easily. And now you got your plastic bottle, and we're gonna design it so that it's aerodynamic. And now get your compass and just expand it to as much as you can. And then fold the A4 paper in half, just like this. And get your compass and just place the pointer to the edge of the line here. You can see the line here of the half. And just draw a semicircle, expanding the A4 paper, just like this. And you should have something like this. And now we'll have to cut this and get a semicircle. Okay, if you don't. And now you got a semicircle and fold it like this, as shown here, as I show. And now you'll get a little cone. And place a cone right here. Just adjust it so that it fits here. Just adjust it really carefully. And make sure there's no hole here. And now there's a hole. And now the air is gonna go in, and that's gonna make it less aerodynamic and have more air resistance. So make sure there's no hole, and make sure it is like this, perfect. And now we gotta take the cone up so that it's a complete cone. Just 2 tapes are okay, it's fine. And now we're gonna put it in here and tape it up so that it doesn't really go off. And now this should be it. This is our new bottle rocket design. And now time to shoot the bottle up. So I have some ethanol here. They're 99.99% ethanol. And slowly open it. And be careful with ethanol. They're very dangerous, very flammable, and very explosive. Just put like about the height of the cone that you put here. Just about the height of the cone. And now that you have put some ethanol, get your cap that you threw away. Or if you threw away, then you can use a piece of toilet roll or anything, but don't use your hand, because if the ethanol go on your hand, nothing is gonna happen to your hand. But when you have contact with fire or electric, then your hand can explode, because ethanol is very explosive and flammable. And now we're gonna shake. And now you can see that the volume of ethanol goes down. You'll be able to see that the amount of ethanol in a bottle goes down compared to the ethanol you put in. Because some of the ethanol evaporated in here when you shook it. They evaporated, and now these ethanol are in gas form in here. And also you can also see that some ethanol are stuck to the side of the bottle here. And that's good. And now there is still some remaining ethanol in here, so don't throw them away. You can recycle them by putting back in the container. Now there is still some ethanol in here, so all you're gonna do is shake it a little bit. And this shaking is very important. It is to let some of the waste ethanol out and let oxygen in, because oxygen is needed to make combustion. And now there you go, we're ready to fire. And now thank you very much for watching this video. And if you haven't, like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. And now, bye bye.